This one feels different, not impressive, not exciting, just revealing. Twitter isn't a product you use. It's a product that keeps pace with the world. News, opinions, reactions, all stacked in one endless vertical stream. Rebuilding something like that, the tension, the urgency, the constant pull, should require deep systems thinking. But with one prompt, AI claims it can recreate that experience. So today, we're not asking if it looks right. We're asking what it does to us. Welcome back to MetaBuild AI. On this channel, we rebuild famous products using AI, not to clone them, not to profit from copies, but to expose the thinking behind them. Because the most powerful products don't teach you how to use them. They train you. They shape how often you check, how long you stay, and how fast you react. And Twitter might be the clearest example of interface-driven behavior ever built. Same rules as every episode. We're rebuilding Twitter, not the algorithm, not the accounts, not the engagement engine, just the interface, the feed, the side rails, the layout that makes the world feel live. No APIs, no real posts, no manual design, just one prompt. And whatever the AI believes Twitter is. This is where it gets risky. Twitter isn't a dashboard, it's a heartbeat. So instead of describing features, I'm describing motion, constant updates, endless vertical scrolling, short bursts of information. Watch this. Okay, stop. That's unsettling. The feed exists. The spacing feels right. Even the emptiness feels intentional. This isn't just a layout, it's tempo. And once you notice that, you realize Twitter isn't designed to inform, it's designed to keep pace. Let's slow this way down, because Twitter's power isn't obvious, it's structural. First, vertical dominance. Twitter removes choice. You don't decide where to go, you go down. One direction, one motion. Second, peripheral temptation. Trends never block the feed. They whisper from the side, just enough to pull you sideways, then right back in. Third, compression. Short text, sharp opinions. No time to settle. Twitter doesn't want reflection, it wants reaction, and the interface enforces that pace. This isn't accidental, it's mechanical, and once you see the machine, you realize how intentional it is. But right now, this is still a picture, and pictures don't control behavior. Interaction does. So let's cross the line. Watch what happens with just a few interactions. Clickable tweets, hover states, page jumps. Nothing loads real data, and yet your brain accepts it. Because responsiveness creates belief. When something reacts, it feels alive. That's the secret of interactive prototypes. They don't need intelligence. They need consequence. Click something, something happens, and that's enough for your brain to commit. Here's the uncomfortable lesson. Twitter didn't win with features. It won with pace control. One direction, constant updates, minimal friction. AI didn't invent this, it exposed it. Once you understand attention as a system, you realize UI is never neutral. It either slows people down or speeds them up. And builders choose that, whether they realize it or not. And that's the real takeaway. Not whether AI can rebuild interfaces, but whether we understand what interfaces do. If this helped you see products differently, you can support the channel at $MetaBuild AI. And next episode, we're rebuilding another platform and asking a different question. What happens when design stops being invisible? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. You can follow us on all social media platforms at MetaBuild AI for more rebuilds like this. And visit metabuildai.gumroad.com to find today's UI build kit, plus templates, prompts, and other tools used to create this content. New builds drop regularly, so stay connected.